Hi guys, it's Chris here, the creator behind GumProfits, and I just want to show you something quickly. What you can see right now on your screen is passive income that is coming into my bank account all the time from utilizing this GumProfits method that I'm going to talk to you about right now. GumProfits is what I believe to be the simplest way to make money from affiliate marketing, the easiest kind of foot in the door way to start making hundreds, if not thousands of dollars a week fairly passively. Affiliate marketing is one of the basic building blocks of make money online. I know there are a lot of methods thrown at you out there, but really I consider it to be affiliate marketing, e-com, and then maybe selling, coaching, consultation, B2B agencies, and things like that. So if you think of affiliate marketing as kind of your layer one, GumProfits is going to be this layer two. It's built on a fundamental building block to making money online, but there's a twist on it to make it the easiest way to get into affiliate marketing. Now, why is it the easiest? Well, what people usually do with affiliate marketing is they create a blog in an interest that they like, such as yoga, and then they think, well, if I write content based around this, and then I start ranking my blog, well, people might come because I think it's pretty cool, so I'm sure other people think it's cool, and it's completely 180 degrees the wrong way to go about it. The best way to do affiliate marketing is you look to see where traffic already exists, where problems already exist, and you solve that problem. The problem with that is that also requires a lot of work. Going out, finding, where are these problems, going deep into Quora and answer websites, forums, trying to figure out people's problems. But there are influencers with hundreds and thousands, if not millions of followers who have already done this work for you. They've already found out the pain points of their audience, and they've already created flagship evergreen products to feed that problem. And those products are being marketed all the time, unlike JVZ or Warrior Plus, where products kind of get released all the time and they're not generally released from influencers with big audiences. Influencers in certain niches have flagship products that they are constantly pitching. So whenever they pitch it and people want to research that product, you're getting all of that research traffic. So you've flipped the thing that most people do, the mistake most people make, on its head. You're doing it the right way. You've built something, you're getting traffic to it without even trying, without even doing any marketing, and you're making commissions consistently from doing roughly 20 to 40 minutes work. So if that sounds good to you, GumProfits is definitely the tool. If you've tried different kind of programs, courses, make money tools, and they haven't worked for you, I would suggest getting to the bare bones fundamentals. Affiliate marketing for me is the best one, my favorite one, the easiest one, the one that you don't need to commit any more finances to. With GumProfits, you're not gonna get into the program and then I'm gonna ask you to get a website and a host and all this. No, you need GumProfits and you only need GumProfits. And then I take you by the hand and I show you how I got the results that I showed you at the beginning of this video. So check out this page. All the information you need is here. I would recommend doing it for the low price that it's at now and not waiting. Check out all the other offers that are there as well. This is really going to work for you. It worked for me. It started off as like a thought experiment for me. I took action, I tried it, and I went, oh my God, this works. This was the easiest way I've ever attempted to make money online. And I know if you just follow it through step by step, it's going to work for you too. So click the link below, buy now, get inside, and I'll see you there. Take care.